Hi guys, so in this video we gonna see about how to find a factor of a given number in Java. So this is one of the frequently asked questions in most of the interviews. Let us see how to verify the whether how many factors are there in the given number, and what is the count, what is the sum of the factors. We can how to get the count, how to check whether uh, the factors or not. So let's get started. Let's first let's first get to know what is a factor means. So factor means it's a number which is divisible, which for example, let's give me a number. So for I'll take 6. So for if I take 6 means it will be it's a divisor. So it can be multiplied using 1, 2 and 3. These are the and 6. So this is called as factor. This is called as a factor. So for example, if we take 12 means, so the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 12. So we're gonna find these numbers using Java program. So let's get started with that. So I'm using Eclipse for this, and let's create a new class. So let's give the class name as factor one. So then the, the program has been created. So as I said, I'll take the number as 6 for this. And so let me explain how the number we will be getting here. So yeah, how to get this number. So if we take I as our first value means it's it's a dummy value, like that you assume that it's a dummy value. And if we divide, so for example, uh, we taken this as a equal to 6. So if we divide this, our remainder should be 0. Our remainder should be 0. This is the basic understanding. So if we for example, if we take for 4 means, we will get the remainder. So it is not an factor. So our program goes like this. We will be assigning our value under a for statement for a continuous loop. So int of I equal to 1, where I is less than or equal to our a I plus plus. This is the for loop we gonna use in this. In that, if our value for modulus of I equal to 0, it is an factor. Else it is not an factor. Okay, so let's write in the program and check how it works. So we took our value as 6, and inside the for loop we're gonna create an uh, data type with the int and the variable as I equal to 1. And so when I is less than or equal to a, that means 1 is less than or equal to 6, and I increment. So the for loop, the actual procedure of for loop is, so this is the int I equal to 1 is initialization and declaration of the I value. This is the statement, this is the condition we are passing, that if this condition is true means it will goes inside, or else the loop will get out. So yeah, the I value is starts with 1. The 1 is less than or equal to 6 means Yeah, obviously is less than and equal to less than 6, so it goes inside. So in that we gonna pass a condition. If if our value is modulus of I equal to 0, that means our value, our a value is divisible by I, which gives a module, which gives a if we divide that, the remainder should be 0. If that condition pass, our else statement will go, or else it will go to else statement. So inside this we're gonna print for system.out.println of a plus, yeah, this is, oh sorry, a is a factor, sorry, we gonna print I. So that means, let me clear the screen. Yeah, so let me say for, can I type this? Done. For int of I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 6, I plus plus. So this is our program which is written. Let me explain how this works. So inside we have assigned an data type, a variable of I with starts with 1. So our value given is 6. That means our a value. We have initialized the it in the previous itself. So int of a equal to 6. Okay. So we can use this as a. Done. So this is how it works. It will first go inside our program for the for loop and check for this. The initialization is done and it will check for the condition. If the condition is true, it will go inside the loop, or else it will end the program. Okay, done. So our first condition is 1, and which is less than 6. It goes inside and it will check the condition. If a mod of I equal to 0, system dot print of I. Done. So the first value is 1, which the condition is satisfies, and it goes to the if condition, and the if condition says, in this the if condition also is true, it will go and print as 1. It will go and print as 1. But our our condition is not false yet, so the loop continues to go and check for the next number. The I get incremented. So the first value was I is 1, the I will be get incremented to 2. Now our I will be 2, which is less than 6. Again it goes inside the loop and check for the condition is, so again our 6 mod of 2 equal to 0, the condition is true, it will print the I value as 2, right? Still the condition, it will check for the condition, again it go for the condition. Our I current I value is 2 and it will be incremented to 3, and 3 less than or equal to 6, the condition true. It again goes to the if condition and check for the condition whether the condition is true. Again the condition is true. Now our I value is 3, it will print the I value, and again goes back, I will be incremented to 4. 4 less than or equal to 6, the condition is true. It goes to if condition and check whether the condition is true or false. In this in this state it is not equal to true, so it won't print anything, but the loop gets still moves back. So I get to the, again goes to the for loop, I will be get incremented to 5. Again it will check, the if condition will be false, again it goes, which is 6 less than or equal to a, which is true, again it goes inside and equal to 0, the condition is true, again and it will print 6. This is how the working procedure of our factor. So let's check whether are getting the correct value or not. As you can see, the output is 1 2 1 2 3 6. This is how we can get the factor of a number. So if we want to implement our for using the scanner function, means for example I am giving 12 means the factors of 12 are these are the factors of 12. So yeah, instead of changing inside, I'm gonna do mean I'm gonna import java dot dot scanner. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna read the input. So I'm using scanner function. So scanner is equal to new scanner of system dot in. So instead of this, I'm gonna see dot next int, sorry, int of yeah. So what we have done is previously we have initiated the input in the program itself. Now we're gonna get the input. So for that I'm gonna do this system dot out dot print. I'm gonna ask for the value. So as you can see, we have done. Okay, so let's run this program. It is asking for the value. Let's type 12 and click enter. As you can see, it has given the factors of the number. So again we're gonna check the loop has been done. So what we gonna do is again we gonna write a new program for how to get the sum of this sum of the factor. Means if we get a question like sum of the give the sum of the factor of a number, given number, that means some factors of the number means, so excluding the given number, the rest of the number should be added and the added. So that's the sum of the numbers. So let's check, let's check how to do this. For this we need an dummy value, that means int sum equal to 0. Why? Because we have to keep on adding inside the loop. So what we'll be doing is sum equal to sum plus I. So here as you can see, so it will be reiterating. This is the working procedure of, this is the actual working procedure of a number which should be reiterated for plus and plus. So what we missed is, so instead of doing this, we gonna sum equal to sum plus I. So let me explain how this works. So let me show you. So as you can see, the previously what we have done, if we pass the if condition, it will give the result. For example, if we take our int value as 6, we will get the output as 1 2 3 and 6. Done. The sum of these values are, we get 3 2 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12. The output will be 12. How this works? So we have made a dummy variable to make this process. So int sum equal to 0. That means what will happen inside this loop means, so after we all know that if the previous program this is the actual output, what does the sum does means sum, the initial value will be 0. Okay, 0 plus the first value which comes in I is 1, which gives a value of 1, and it will be stored inside this sum. So again the program will goes to the for loop, and the I value will be iterated and comes back. Now the sum value is 1 plus the I value is 2, which gives a value of 3, and what it does is it goes to the sum and replaces the 1 with 3. This is what happens. So yes, so again the iteration comes, the sum value, new sum value is 3, and what is the I value is 3, and we get 6. It goes and saves there and deletes the old one. Now new sum value will be 6, our I value will be 6, which gives a total of 12, and it goes back and save and delete the old one. Our I value is, sorry, our sum value is 12. This is our sum of the factor. Sum of the factor. So we got to know how to do this, and what we should do means we should type the output outside the for loop. If we type inside the for loop means the output will be keep on running, printing for multiple times. So let me show you what happens if we write this program inside a for loop means it will throws an error that, sorry, for let me type 6. What happened, what we have done is, yeah, this will be the output. So it will give all the sum values. We don't need these values and all. So as you can see, 1, 3, 6, 12, it will show all the sum values. We don't want that. So what we gonna do is we gonna place the output outside the for loop. So if we place outside the for loop, if we enter the value of 6, it will give the value of 12. That's it. Let me make it more understandable. uh, Sorry, factor factor of done. So let's see output. I gave 6. 12 is the sum of factor of 6. Let me type with another number. So I am giving 12. 28 sum of factor of 12. This is how we will be finding, or how to find the how to find the number. So let's see how to count the factors of the number. So as I said, as the given previous example, or if we take 6 means 1, 2, 3, 6. So this is our factor. If we want a sum means the result is 12. If we want a count of this, how many factors are in 6 means we had 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the output. Let us see how to write this program. So for this, what we gonna do is we gonna take this and we gonna do count plus plus. That's it. This is the only step we're gonna do. We should declare uh, our value of 0. because without initiating a starting point, the program will not run. So let's count and change this to count. Done. So let us see the working procedure of count. So as you can see, the first program we done, it will gives the result as 1, 2, 3 and 6. So the sum, what the sum do means, it will goes and gives the result, gives us 12. What does the count does means, it will go inside the if loop. It goes, if the condition is true means the count will take as 1. If the condition is true means the count will take as 2, 3, 4. As all the condition are, only when the condition is true it goes inside. If it goes inside, if the condition true means that's the obviously obvious one. So the numbers which are going inside the if loop, it will be taken as a count. So the 1, 2, 3 and 6 will be counted. The total number of uh, numbers which are came in is 4. That is will be the output. Let us see. Let us give 6 and see 4 count of. So as you can see, we can give any number. So let's try with 45. So 6 count of 45 is, so 6 count of the factor of 45. This is how the count is done. So I think I covered 3 programs which are frequently asked in most of the interviews for the factors. Uh, just try with what I explained with your program. So keep on practicing this until you get the correct one. If you get any mistakes, do post it in the comment, or else just try to figure out by browsing it in any of the browsers. Definitely you will get any answers, or else you will get a different idea about the program and many things. So thank you for watching this, guys. Thanks.